Whakalawhalai atu hane e tau walatala tutupu ke lata mai leo taong nue ke haone. Ko he taha mo tanga hua whahi fusieka kua lali ai ke pota whalataha mo i tunhi e tau tala mai he tau tangata hangao ke he takawhanga ke he tawhia. Hane whangahua he mga hone ke uatu mai whatutala mai ole fuki ke tau tangata ki tohe tau tala hangao ke he tau momui o tahi tau tala takawhanga mai whalu fuki. Ne pehe me takitaki langa hua fusieka ko James Tafatu ko he lali ni ke moa e long he tau tala ke tohi hefo. Wai koe taha puhala nei ke whakamau hefo e tau loto matala mai tau tala he motu mo taonga i fuki e tau atu hau. Koe whakaholoanga nei kua lali fuki ke ngahua whakataha mo SPC ke kumi puhala ke lolomi mo e whakamailonga ki fuki e tau tala he tau tangata. Hawhangi ai he mga honei ke taha tu e tau tala ke whaifusieka to hoko atu ki he matahiko he tau. Ko he tau lang matayanga ke tau whahi counselling he motu kua ki sia kua kula he tau tangata lang matai ke he mga hanei. Ko he whahi tapu nei toko hongfu male me tangata mai whahi malolo seno, whahi whakakutama mi tau matakau i whafu e whakatufono, ne kua whakakua i ke tau puhala ke lang matai a te tau tangata he motu. Peseni ko laula he tau whakatutalaanga hangauia ke he tau meana tunga HIV mo tau lang matai ke he tau tangata ke whai whalana kianga ke tau tangata ngahua ke nā kai whakailoa tau min penei kua nā kai lata. Kei he mai tō mai ki ngai ni alo tōru ni ko hokua tu ke tau whakakwanga ke whakaonga i whalo tau puhalo whao ke halo tōru tau ngahua me halo tōru tau matakau. Ko e whakakwanga nei kua moe o moianga mai he whahi counselling ha pisi mo SPC amana ki tō mai ki ke whai māmaanga laulahi ke he tau mga himua mo he tō whakahokua e tō whakakwanga nei ke he ue whahi tapu. You're listening into Radio Sunshine's news bulletin for today. Niue Fisheries are embarking on a project to collect and document fishing stories from locals. The ambitious plan looks to gather an array of stories from people that will enrich Niue's literature written by its own people. Niue Fisheries are working with the Secretariat of the Pacific Community to find ways that they can collate stories and acknowledge contributors, but people can submit their own stories to the division. Fisheries Division Manager James Tapuatu says that the project is work in progress, where they're trying to capture as much as they can about the fishing practices and stories from different age groups about what they know about the sea or have learned over the years. Stories can either be written in English or Wangahau and will eventually be compiled into a publication that will hopefully be completed by the end of the year. Public submissions are welcome and Fisheries Division are open to assist with any queries regarding their project. Increasing counselling services is the focus of a 2-week training currently being held on the island this week. 15 participants from the Health Department, Education Department and local NGOs will be going over a number of issues to address the need for counsellors on the island. Although the training looks at issues relating to HIV testing and counselling needs, as well as confidentiality issues, the techniques participants will learn will enable them to use skills within their own sectors. The training is supported by Counselling Services of Fiji and the Secretariat of the Pacific Community, and it is hoped that the knowledge gained from this 2-week training session can also be applied across the board. Looking at our news stories from the region, a total of 14 countries are confirmed to be part of the Multinational Observers Group to observe and monitor Fiji's 17th of September election. Countries involved are Australia, Indonesia, Papua New Guinea and India, who will also oversee the process as co-leaders. The other countries to be part of the group are Israel, South Africa, Brazil, Russia, Turkey, Japan, New Zealand, Korea, France and the United Kingdom. 2 other countries, USA and Canada, had indicated they would like to send in observers as well and would finalize their participation soon after they have been sent the terms of reference. Fiji First Leader Rear Admiral retired Vorenge Bainimarama has remained steadfast in defending the course his government has taken so far. Speaking to UK-based video-sharing website LiveLeak, Bainimarama said the removal of the Great Council of Chiefs was a strategic move to introduce a neutral and objective way forward for Fiji. He also explained in layman terms one of the rationale behind his 2006 military takeover, Bainimarama described to Live Leak over the weekend in New Zealand that the GCC was an undemocratic institution running parallel to the government of the day. Bainimarama was in New Zealand over the weekend as part of his party's campaign, also raising funds for the party. Samoa's Ministry of Health says nearly 100 people have now been affected by a mystery virus. 2 people have also died from, but authorities still aren't exactly sure what the virus is. Samoan Ministry of Health Dr. Saine Va'ai told Pacific Beat patients are showing signs of 2 separate illnesses. While initially they thought we were seeing acute fever and rash, which is one of the things we do look for, she said, but as of Saturday we did get the confirmation of some of the specimens that were sent out for chikungunya. We're still awaiting specimen confirmation. In neighbouring American Samoa, there have been more than 300 confirmed cases of chikungunya, and authorities say a traveller between the 2 countries brought some strain of the virus to Samoa. Dr. Vai says a public campaign to raise awareness about the outbreak and educate people about precautions to take has begun. This is the first time that they've had the virus in the country, and they're working with experts from WHO and the Secretary of the Pacific Community to control it. Officials say 5 people have been admitted to hospital with symptoms of the virus. The Cook Islands Party, which has won last month's election, has withdrawn its petition challenging the Democratic Party's win of the Niuean 12th seat on Rarotonga. It is the second petition to be withdrawn after the Democratic Party withdrew its one for the Akaua seat. The Cook Islands Party's petition contested the eligibility of some voters, but the Finance Minister Mark Brown says it would not have changed the results if it was upheld. After careful consideration, candidates and teams had a look through and found that they had insufficient numbers to be able to overturn the final result, so that was basically the basis for withdrawing that particular petition. Jayapura Resort Police had arrested 21 members of the Free National Soldiers in West Papua after the separatists held an inauguration ceremony in Biraf Village, Nimkopograng area of Jayapura District, Papua Province. Deputy Chief of Papua Regional Police Brigadier General Polis Watapal told Antara on Monday that the members were arrested when they were crossing Warumbain Village using trucks. Police revealed that there were 60 members on the truck. According to the police, 2 foreigners were also among the members who had attended the inauguration ceremony held by the Tyrannus Sato. Police noted that the 21 arrested separatists included 16 men, 4 women and an underage member. Police had also seized several evidences, including 5 bayonets, 2 sets of arrows and bows, 30 sets of military clothes and a command baton. A medical student of Suva, Neha Nikita, was elated after taking out the second prize of $9,000 cash in Digicel's Pacific Pro Race texting game. Tonga's Fateki Havili won the game and pocketed $18,000. There was a total of $30,000 cash given out in prizes in the month-long SMS game run in July. Nikita received her prize from Digicel Fiji Chief Financial Officer Farid Mohammed in Suva. Nikita is a 4th and final year student in medical lab at the Fiji School of Medicine. Digicel customers in Fiji, Vanuatu, Tonga and Nauru took part in the second regional texting competition. The game had players racing against each other in a Pacific scavenger hunt. The players had to make specific stops where they were required to complete different challenges to gather clues and points which helped them move forward in the game. Those are our news stories from the region as well as our local news bulletin here on Radio Sunshine for today.